missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt.
He's hurt.
He's hurt. He's out.
This could be
He
it.
is out. We have a new champion. Rabindra Dutt has pulled off the upset, and the Soma team is going
This could be the biggest
me.
upset in the history of
We
Indian
talked about
MMA.
it. I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Chongren Koren, and he saw it. He was beaten. His camp, of course, a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all. My heart goes out to Chongren Koren, but oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all. Let's take a look at the replays because Rabindra Dutt did it. He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
So Rabindra manifested it. For the fans who are watching us, Rabindra's team made a video. It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story of Rabindra Dutt, from him breaking stones for a living to taking up MMA and then finally knocking out Chongren Koren. Man, this is manifestation, nothing else.
I mean, you know,
you work hard, work in the right direction, have your right team, have the right team in place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
No, I'm talking about the fact that we knew somewhere that this was going to be his first real test. He talked, and his corner was right. He took on an aging Agasa, who was way past his prime.
He took on the aging Chaitanya Gavli.
He took on...
Again, Kantaraj was not in his prime.
No, Kantaraj's prime was in 2016. I mean, today, Kantaraj, it's Mohammad Farhad as well. This was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it wasn't.
And as I said, it's another Chongren Koren fighting Chongren Koren.
I mean, it's
like Superman versus Superman.
Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. I mean, we got referee Jim Burdias next to me. What a fight, right? I mean, I can't even begin to stress. We have a new champion. Sonam Zamba did the business tonight, and now Chongren Koren, you can see. I mean, the doctors are checking on him. His corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary, and then later he had to vacate the title. Chongren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I met his corner
fighter from Nepal to win a title at Matrix Fight Night. Look at that! Look at that finish. Drop Chongren Koren.
There you go. That was the end.
Man.
It was over.
This
it was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see
you got your
in
knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout, and Rabindra Dutt does it in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke him down, and to do that to Chongren Koren says something, that he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and
overconfidence as well.
No. You know what? Chongren Koren is such a solid fighter.
You can't skill with anything else.
It's not like it's not like Chongren Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chongren Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion, Rabindra Dutt!
You know, I say this over and over again.